Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about how will my credit be affected by filing bankruptcy and how can I rebuild it? These are great questions. And I think almost every single person who's ever filed a bankruptcy or will file a bankruptcy is concerned about these questions. And I think one of the best things you can do to rebuild your credit is to get rid of debt. It's one of the best things you can do. I had a judge a few months ago tell me in court that filing bankruptcy is a positive event, and he's right. It's a positive event. It allows you to move on with your life. And so when you file a bankruptcy, yes, it's on your credit report. And it'll be there, Chapter 7, typically 10 years. But you go from a position oftentimes of debt to no debt. And so your credit reports will indicate that this account was included in a bankruptcy, right? But your credit report goes from all of this debt to no debt. And if you have student loan debt, of course, that doesn't get discharged. There are debts that don't get discharged. I'm not counting in those. But your credit, oftentimes, and we hear this from clients all the time, and there's no guarantees about what your credit score is going to be. Nobody can tell you that. I mean, there are so many calculations and algorithms that go into a credit score, and nobody can tell you this. But as a general rule, getting rid of debt is a positive thing on your overall credit profile. And we commonly have people tell us after they file a bankruptcy, 6 months, a year, 2 years later, that their credit score has dramatically improved. So anecdotally, the evidence we get from our clients is on many occasions, their credit scores increased dramatically and they're purchasing houses and they're buying cars. And I just had somebody in my office a few weeks ago who was telling me that him and his wife are in the process of buying a home. And these are wonderful things, right? So it, again, allows them to move on with their life. When the time is right, when you are ready, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm, Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.